How to turn off incognito mode on Chrome on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off incognito mode on Chrome on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Chrome app and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And here, let's say if you want to turn on the incognito mode, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and from the pop-up menu, simply tap on New Incognito tab. But here is the issue. As you can see, the screen recorder doesn't capture incognito mode due to the privacy reason. So here I'll show you the process in the normal tab because the process are same for both incognito and the normal tab. So here I'm going to simply switch it to normal tab, and here to turn off the incognito tab on your Chrome, just tap on the little cross icon on each tab, or you can simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and from the pop-up menu you can simply tap on close all tabs. And that's it. That's how you can turn off incognito mode on Chrome on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.